Hello guys, welcome back to the show tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix EA Battlefront to extremely long loading times and how to fix this up on your Windows when you're trying to play the game. So the first step is you just have to go here in the start and click on the settings and check for update and security and make sure you're on the latest update. As you can see that I'm on the latest version of Windows. So make sure that you're on the up to date, or else you can just check for the updates and go for installation. And the first step is this one, and the next step is all about you just have to click on the properties and you just have to go to device manager and update your graphic drivers from here. You just have to update the graphic drivers. You just have to go for update drivers, and this is what you have to do. These are the basic steps which most probably help to fix the issue up. And the third one is all about increasing the virtual memory, and to do this you just have to go here in the search and you have to click on view advanced system settings. So you just have to search for view advanced system settings. Now open this and you have to go to settings, and now from here you have to go to advanced, and from here you have to click on change. Now as you can see that there is initial size as well as the maximum size. So initial size should be if you're having this trouble, then it should be, imagine this is 3000, then the maximum should be around 3 times it. So you just have to give 1000 or 9000 you have to give. For right now I'm not having this issue, so I'm not going to change it. But if you're having this issue while trying to play the Star Battlefront game, when you're having this issue, just change 3 times of initial size. For example, it is 3000, so you just have to go for 9000. If it is 100,000, just go for 3000. If it is 4000, then just go for 12,000 and go for OK. And once after trying this, you just have to restart your PC and try to open the game, and most probably the issue will be fixed. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.